Hello, everyone. This is Mahan, and this is Sheena. We are co-founders of TechEquity AI, a nonprofit organization that's behind this great event. Thank you for all of you to join us in this evening. First of all, I want to thank especially for our speakers, panelists, and moderators that share their insight about AI and ecosystem. Can you hear me now? Perfect. Thanks, Joe. So I also want to especially thank from our volunteers and our team to make this great event happen. And also special thanks to SVAI Hub and Psychic, our sponsor of this great event. I will also thanks to Dave, Richie, and Ken for helping us with the workshop today. Without further ado, I would love to invite Chad, the program manager of SVAI Hub, to have a few words with you. And after that, Sheena going to take over to go over the short presentation about TechEquity AI. Thank you so much again. I really appreciate it all.
Thank you, Mahan. Thank you, Sheena. Yeah, I think it's just the next one is all I have. Perfect. Hey, everyone. My name's Chad. I lead our Silicon Valley AI Hub here at Snowflake. I see some returning faces. Welcome back to the Hub, and some new faces. We host about 2 to 3 events here a week in this space, all AI related. A lot of workshops, a lot of hands-on labs, technical trainings, panel discussions, you name it. We also have a co-working space over here for startups that are in Snowflake's startup program or network. So we have a Luma calendar. You can scan the QR code here to see all of our events that we host. If you're into playing chess, we have a chess event tomorrow night here where we'll have beginner and expert level chess playing and some AI and engineering discussion. So we'd love to see you tomorrow. And then we've got some more events next week after the 4th of July holiday. So thanks for coming out. A little housekeeping. We have restrooms down here to the left. Just go down this hallway. A little bit later on, we'll be having our workshops. One of them will take place in the room down at the end of the hall as well. Some food and beverages in the back. And if you need anything, you can find myself or Iris, who is our event coordinator at the SVAI Hub. So thanks for coming out. Hope to see you again. And I'll hand it over to Sheena. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Thanks so much again. We are TechEquity AI. We're a nonprofit organization. Our goal is to democratize AI to bring the knowledge and applications to everyone. So we're here to bring in a collaborative ecosystem, bring in corporate startups, investor, academia, and community all together. And before we move on, I want to have a quick ask. If you can raise your hand, who is not the first time that you've been here? All right. Thank you so much for coming back. And we love to thanks to all of you to make it all happen. We hope all of you, more of you come back. Great. So a little bit about us. For the past 2.5 years, we held 3 AI Summit in the Silicon Valley. Started in 2024. We had a 1-day summit in Synopsys, and then a 1-day summit at the Computer History Museum. And then last year, we had a 2-day summit at the Plug and Play Tech Center. And this year, we kick off our monthly forums as well as workshops at the Snowflake Silicon Valley Hub here. And this is our event calendar. There's a QR code that takes you to our event calendar. There more are coming, especially we are planning more workshops and some of them are already up. So take a look, and we will be also hosting our November summit here in November 3rd to 6th, which is the first week of November. And we're very excited that we are working collaborate with Psychic platform. We roll out our TechEquity AI channel. If you scan the QR code, you'll be able to watch all of our recording from the past. You can ask questions, interact with it. So we also rolled out our membership this year, and you can learn more at our Luma page as well. And without further ado, I will give the floor to Dave, our content chair and MC for today. Thank you so much.
Okay. Hi, everyone. Wow, another packed house. This is great. And I feel like it's funny because I don't know if it's the summer light or if the event just gets starting earlier and earlier. But I feel like this day gets more and more packed every month. Maybe someday we'll be starting at 9 a.m. and have a full day. Actually, we will in
for 4 days.
Yeah, well, yeah. So we're working our way up to 4 days. Okay, yeah. So okay, so what I'd like to do for you today is just simply ask you if you have ideas for speakers. I'm the content chair, and while we get submissions through the website, if you want to talk about topics both for our presentations here at this event or the 4-day conference or the workshops, you can talk to Sheena or Mahan. You can also talk to me, and I'd be happy to discuss your ideas. Okay.